Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. My name is Tess and today we're going to be looking at the programming language C++. C++ is a general purpose language and is an extension of the programming language C. Today we're going to cover some common programming concepts and how to write them in C++. Okay, so as usual we're going to start with the Hello World program. And like Java, there's some outlying structure, but we'll talk about the simple printing or outputting of Hello World first. And the reason why I said outputting instead of printing is because that's the language we're going to use in C++. Because as you can see here, we have this, which stands for Standard Console Output Hello World, instead of print or print line. And as you can see, as with Java, we have a main method. If you haven't seen the Java video yet, go back and check what a main method is. But up here we have something which is new and that we haven't seen before. This here is a library. And by the way, comments in C++ are double dash. A library is a collection of classes or functions which allow us to carry out certain things. In this case, IOStream stands for input-output stream, and we need this here since we are outputting the string hello world. Okay, so now let's talk about variables. C++ is strongly typed just like Java is, which means we have to declare what type of data is going in our variable. That's why we've put string hello, because we have a string of characters. And then we output the same way that we usually do. Instead of saying hello world here, we save the variable hello to be outputted here. Now, C++ is a little bit different because, first of all, when we want to use strings, we have to import another library called string. And also, we have to use a namespace here. Now don't worry about this too much since this is just starting out, but namespaces help to organize code when we have multiple libraries. And as you can see already from this short program, we have 2 libraries. So it's important to keep that in mind. Lastly, as we usually do, let's look at arrays. Now arrays in C++ are very similar to Java. So if you haven't seen arrays in Java, check the Java video out. But the only difference is this standard at the front here and these 2 colons. But apart from that, it's pretty much the same. We have string shopping, which is what our array is going to be called. One thing that's different though, we have to declare the size of the array. So there's 3 items in the array, so we just say 3 in there. But it's the same structure, curly brackets, semicolon at the end. As for outputting, we do standard console output again. Shopping 0 to print the first item. Shopping 1 will print the second item. And shopping 2 is the third item. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep the code coming, follow our LinkedIn and Twitter pages, and thanks again for watching.